everyone, it's Nini here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I was requested by one of my subscribers to do a 2-strand twist out. So that's what I'll be doing today in this video. Since my hair has gotten longer, I rarely do twist outs on my hair. Wash and goes are just my favorite go-to style because it's easier and faster for me. But we're going to see how this goes. So my hair is freshly washed, and I'll leave an iCard above if you want to see what I used in my last video, but I'm just going to divide my hair into 4 sections. Using this spray bottle, I'm just going to rehydrate my hair with some water. So I'm starting to twist out with my favorite leave-in conditioner, which is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil one, and I'm just going to smooth this into my hair. This is going to keep my twist moisturized and soft. Next, I'm using the Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Style Cream, which will help seal in the moisture from the leave-in and create maximum definition for the twists. I'm just smoothing that into my hair from ends to roots. To create some shine for the twist, I'm just using some avocado oil. I really like this oil a lot because it strengthens the hair shaft and prevents breakage. So here I'm just going to twist this section up to get it out of the way. Now that all sections are moisturized, now we can actually start the twist. So with this first quadrant, I'm just going to spritz some more water into my hair. And then I'm going to take about a mid-sized section of hair like this. And I'm just looking in the mirror to make sure that's the size that I want. And then I'm just going to clip up the rest. Here I'm detangling with a wide tooth comb. And I'm going to be using the Extreme Wet Line Gel to create that hold for my twist that I'm looking for. Using about a quarter-sized amount, I'm just going to smooth that in from roots to ends. Now I'm going to split that section into 2 equal parts and then start twisting all the way down. When you're twisting, make sure that the twists are nice and tight as you twist downwards. To make sure that the twists don't unravel, I'm swirling the ends with my fingers to create a curl. So again, take a mid-sized section, comb it through with a wide tooth comb to detangle any knots. Apply and smooth in gel. And twist the hair downwards. And curl the ends with your finger. Alright, so one more time. Take a mid-sized section. Detangle with a wide tooth comb, apply gel, separate the twist into 2 parts and twist downwards and make sure to curl the ends. Here, the twists are all done and they look super juicy and moisturized. So I already know that this twist out is going to be bomb. So now it's time for them to dry. So it's the next day and the twists are completely dry. Make sure that your twists are dry before unraveling them so you don't lose definition and cause unnecessary frizz. Using some oil, I'm just going to place some into my hands and squeeze the oil into my hair for some extra shine. I'm just going to use a little bit more oil to help me unravel the twist to also prevent frizz. And just look at that definition. Here's what my hair looks like after unraveling all the twists. My hair is shiny, defined, and super soft. So now I'm going to section my hair to further unravel each twist. To prevent any unnecessary frizz, I'm going to separate the hair where it wants to naturally separate. All the twists are separated, and here's how my hair looks. Now it's time to create some volume. With this wide tooth comb, I'm just going to pick and fluff at the roots. Be careful not to pick out the curls though. My hair is super soft, shiny, and my curls look amazing. Alright guys, so this is a 2-strand twist out on my natural hair, and I absolutely loved how it turned out. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.